Hi there folks, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and I'm going to take you through a quick unboxing video of the new SF20 Pro. Believe it or not, it's all in here. So when we open it up, we'll notice one of the first things is we've got this lovely large SF Pro sticker. We've got our pin for our pin flag switch. We've got our booklet or information. So this has got a QR code here. If I can just move this over. QR code here for the instructions, and also on the back another QR code for the quick start guide as well. We have our SF20 Pro here, and you'll notice it comes in a foam shroud. So what you can do, and I'll go through this in a little bit, is you can actually use this foam shroud, so don't throw it away. We have our screen, our smart screen. We have our AR1 connectors, and we have our assorted cables. So in here we've got our pin flag, we've got our LED, and we've got our screen cable there. Now this unit I'm showing you comes with the screen because it was purchased with the screen. We are also offering the SF20 Pro without the screen. Okay, so the SF20 Pro comes in this beautiful foam shroud. What you can do is you can keep this shroud, and if you want a noise filter, you can actually rotate it over and it fits perfectly and allows you to access everything on the SF20. You've got your power inputs, you've got our expansion outputs, you've got your 20 channels, your hole for your button, and your hole for your LED. If I take the cover off, I'll pop it back in the box for the minute. You can see it right there. Everything that you need is in the box for the SF20 Pro, so you should be good to go straight out of the box. Thanks for watching, guys, and that was a quick unboxing of the SF20 Pro. As you can see, it comes with all of the items that you need to install and get yourself up and running. Coming up next, we will be showing you some setup videos on how to set up the SF20 Pro with every radio, do the basic setup for a complete model, as well as some of the advanced features that are included in the new SF20 Pro. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos.
Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website, boomerrc.com, or for the US site, us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page, Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel, Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks, guys, and stay tuned for more videos.